Hello, my name is Carl and I wanted to take a minute to show you my beautiful 2023 Tesla Model S Plaid that I have up for sale. As you can see here, no damage on the outside, never any accidents, no scrapes, no dings, no dents. There's the badge. Show you in here the back real quick. Opens right up, and we in here also have 3D fitted laser printed covers which cover up the access panel down here, which is empty for now. And you take a look around here, I'll show you the inside where it's got the white trim and the yolk, which are upgrades. I've also included the fitted mats here, 3D as well, and then put carbon fiber to match the carbon fiber trim on the front. I'll show you the back here. I am 6'6", so this is scooted all the way back for me, but plenty of room for the kids in the back seat if need be. And let me take you inside to show you. Let's see here, go to the upgrade screen, and you can see the premium connectivity software, Model S Plaid, 15,319 miles, full self-driving, premium connectivity. There's the software, current version as of January 4th. And again, just a overall beautiful car. Carbon fiber on the steering wheel, charging there. If you set the phone right in here, it'll charge for you. Again, beautiful car, beautiful price, ready to go home with you. So thank you for taking a look.